Hello everyone and welcome to Ira Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 6 subject English unit 2 2.7 Yunamin and Bushi English workshop. In my previous video already I have uploaded explanation of this lesson. So please go through that explanation first and then go for the English workshop. So let us start with English workshop. Question number 1. Read the story and write about the following in short. Now, about Yonamin, I have means you can see here about Yonamin Chiru of Okinawa. So, how was she? Short information about it. Yonamin Chiru was the most admired girl in Okinawa. She was intelligent, tall, strong, big, and beautiful. And most important of all, she was so well trained in karate that no one could beat her. Her father was a rich merchant. She would inherit a fortune from him. She had her own ideas about marriage and said that she would only marry a woman who would beat her in a fair fight. Bushi did so and she married Bushi. It was a happy marriage. So that is about Yonamin. Here one mistake is there. Bushi here I will come. Here I will come. Okay. Okay. Now about Kojo. So for Kojo let us go to the lesson. What about Kojo is given? So Kojo was the first participant. So when Yunamin put the condition that she would marry to a person who can uh, bring her down in the fair fight of karate. At that time, Kojo was the first to ask her hand, and Kojo, who was actually bigger and stronger than Yunamin, he was so tall and well built that his hands were like shovel and his legs resemble tree trunk. But he played foul. Okay, but he played foul and he could not win Yunamin and he could not get married to Yunamin. Next one is after Kojo Bushikyo. So how was the Bushikyo? What explanation is given about the Bushikyo in the lesson? See here. Bushikyo was he was a trained karate master of Sakugawa. He was the trained karate master under the karate master Sakugawa. That means Sakugawa was the famous karate teacher from whom he learned karate, and he was an expert, so that he was recruited by Shoko, the king of Okinawa, to be as his personal guard. When Bushi's friend informed him about the challenge of the Yonamin, Bushi also thought that he don't want any delicate wife, any fragile girl for a wife, so he decided to fight with her and win over her. So that is about the Bushi. Okay. So question number 1 is over. Let us see question number 2. Discuss and write in one or two lines about the following. Yonamin's idea about marriage. So Yonamin said that she wanted to marry a man who would beat her in a fair fight. How Bushi defeated Yonamin in the wrestling match. At a crucial moment in their match, Yonamin paused briefly and Bushi took advantage of the moment and brought her down with a swift punch. Why Bushi told Yonamin not to travel at night? Bushi told Yonamin not to travel at night as it was not safe to go out alone after dark, for there were bandits about, and that's why he was against Yonamin's decision to travel at night. Yonamin's fight with Bushi. Now here discussed as a bandit, that means Yonamin is thinking that the next person is bandit. Yonamin held her attacker by the hand and kicked him with such a punch that he fell to the ground unconscious. She then tied him to the tree with her sash. The lesson that Bushi learned. Now, which lesson Bushi learned? The lesson Bushi learned was not to underestimate anybody, especially not a woman. That lesson Bushi learned. Question number 3. Divide the story into different sections to show the different event and time period in it. Give a suitable title to each section. For example, finding a suitable man for Yonamin. Kojo come forward in his and is defeated. So that part will be one, that how many people came and how they uh, lost the wrestling match. Okay, then second part we can divide the story into the time when Bushi came for fighting. Bushi won Yonamin and they got married, and their marriage was very happy because Yonamin was taking care of Bushi and she was doing all household work very carefully. And third part of the story we can divide, that when Yonamin decided to meet her parents, at that time Bushi followed her and attacked on her as a bandit, but at that time bravely Yonamin saved herself, and she teach a lesson to Bushi that never ever underestimate anyone in our life. Question number 4. Write a short monologue using one of the following idea. Write down the monologue and present in the class. So this is activity. Monologue means what? When we are talking to ourselves. Yona means father worrying about getting her married. At that time, that means which are the dialogues of Yona means father? That my daughter is very beautiful. My means here Yona means father is talking with himself only. That is called monologue. So what Yunamin's father will say, my daughter is very beautiful, she is very strong and she is going to inherit my business. So I want a proper person as her husband, so that he can take care of Yonamin also and he can take care of my business also. But where I will get this type of man? Because all men want to get married to a girl who is expert in all household work, who is taking care of house and looking after house. But my daughter don't like all these things. She love wrestling match only. So how she will get a proper husband? So now these are the dialogues of the Yonamin's father. That means he is speaking with himself only. And Bush is discussed as a bandit. That means when Bushi was tied with a sash to a tree, what Bushi was thinking? Bushi was thinking that unnecessarily I followed my wife, and now she is very expert in martial art. Even she made me unconscious also. That means she has lots of strength. I should not worry about her. Actually, I came here to taught her lesson, but unfortunately she taught me a lesson that never ever underestimate any one, especially woman. Okay. Question number 5. Form groups and hold debate on the following topics. Make a bullet list point in favor of point, that means pros and cons, and those against it. That means boy can cook or do any household work. So now this is the topic for uh, debate. One group of students will say that boy cannot cook or do any household work, and one group will say that boys can cook and they can do all housework, because no work is labeled that only girls can do it. Okay, like that you have to 3 6 points you have to write down. So first I am going to explain you. Remaining 3 you have to do your own because it is a activity. So first point, in boys can cook, boys means at one side cannot, if we are going in the favor with the topic, so favor is saying that cannot cook. So first point is boys cannot cook or they cannot do any household work because they don't know these works from childhood, or they are not observing anyone who is doing this work like them. But on the other hand, boys can do any household work, because there is no label on any work that this work girls has to do and this works boys has to do. So it is a skill, anyone can acquire it. Okay, second point, boys don't have patience to do cooking, even they cannot do household work very cleanly also. Second point here, of course boys can do it with practice, they can learn to do it neatly. Third point, from childhood, boys are not observing their father or uncle to do this type of work, and that's why they hesitate to do this work. So, here, third point, that is not necessary. If mother is doing, mother can do, then why son cannot do it? They can also do, and by next generation will observe them and they will also do it. Okay, here boys, fourth point, boys cannot cook, in that boys has to do job, they have to go outside for work, so they cannot cook, they cannot do housework. On another hand, as a cons, girls are also working women, so they are working also, they are taking care of house also, they are cooking also, they are doing all household chores also. So if they can do, why boys cannot? Like that, for debate you have to prepare at least 4 to 5 points of each topic. Okay, and last activity is a visit to library and read more stories from Japan, China and Korea. That is all about the English workshop. I hope everyone might have understood this. If you have any queries, please write in comment box, and if go through my first video of explanation of lesson, and after that only go for English workshop. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. I would like to solve it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends. Also request your friend to subscribe it. Thank you.